Hi everyone, welcome again to our new session of the ServiceNow. So in previous session I have already explained about how to create a login credential and create an incident. In this session I will explain you about how to create an user role which is used for the organization. Just like if I am having administrator login and credential, I want to create a specific user login credential so that the person will act or work accordingly. Just like some tasks are related with the deployment, so if I want to create a login credential for the deployment, so that login credential should be different. If I want to create a login credential for helpdesk team, so that whenever any issue will appear, so that person should act accordingly. So these login credentials are specifically on read, write and execute mode. Read is, so whenever we are creating any login credential with read mode, so that is only for viewing purpose. He will not do anything unless and until you will provide the access. Second, we will have read and write. So the person who is having read and write permission, they will check the ticket and or incident number, and based on the incident number they will provide a solution. If that solution is perfectly fine and the incident will be closed, then that time he will close the incident. Execute is means mostly read, write and execute permission will having some of the deployment team or business person team. So let's have a look on how to create a user and with their credential. So let's have a look here. Just like once you log in with the ServiceNow login credential, type here user and you will get search items. From search item, go to user administration and click on user. So I've already opened that, because of that it was showing here. Once you will click on the user, you're able to see all the users which is available in our organizations are listed here. If you want to create a new user, you just have to click on the new button and provide the user ID. Just like Sam Test I want to create, and the person name is Sam Test demo. Title, if you want to search the title, you will get some title suggestion like the user credential you are creating for solution architect, system administrator, vice president, director. I want to create a login credential for only IT technician who will handle the incident which is raised by user for resolution purpose. So department, if you want to have a look on the department, which department he is residing. So mostly IT technician is always at the part of IT department or information technology department, and some of the organizations are calling with the name helpdesk person. So let's select on this. Password, whatever password you will provide, same password will be listed there. So let me create password, simple password. Email, whatever email you want you can mention it here. So Sam @ or samtest@gmail.com. Language, always put your according to your origin language or organization language. Outlook, so it was already integrated with your Outlook account. Time zone, based on your country you can provide the time zone. Here I don't have any option for the India, because of that I am selecting same as whatever system has provided. Date format, always keep in your country according to or standard date format, MMDDYY, that is month, date and year. Business phone, if you want to enter your business phone number or the personal phone number, you can provide it here. Then there's a different options that are also available, like password need reset. If you want to reset the password, then only you have to select logged out if your account will be logged out. Web services access only if you want to check this with active state. Internal integration with the user is also available. So let me click on submit and check the detail. Now SAM test demo is created. Now let's check with the name, and you can see here SAM test is created with the detail we have entered. So let's click on this and see how is the credential for SAM. Now you can see notification is enabled, so whenever he will do any activity or he is already integrated with any group email, whenever any activity will be assigned to his group, he will get a notification or auto notification. By this way we can check it the detail. If you want to attach any document or mail approval for this user, just like if a new user is introduced in an organization and he is related with the concerned team, then concerned team will raise an ticket for creating his account with this. So the person who is creating his login credential can attach their email here. So here personalized form and more options is also available for toggling add tags as well. If you want to update any detail, you can just click on this and update. If you want to delete this user credential, just click on delete. That user will be deleted from your system. So by this way we can create and update the account and delete as well. So this is all about how to create a new user with system administrator login credential. So let's take one more example here. Let me delete this first. I don't want to create any junk data here. So whenever you are clicking on delete, you will get notification on device pop up. So click on delete and that user will be deleted permanently from your system. So let me search that person name again. Now you can see that person is no more exist here. So let's create one more account for the director. Because director is not having so much requirement just for the graph and all, he will use it just like director test is the username, director mention here demo test, title you can search it from here and just click on this. Department, director is always from product management or it will go from the finance, totally dependent on the director person. So let's click on the product management, active. Yeah, that's it. I think let's change the date format, and if you want to add anything, you can. If you want to add phone number, that is also possible. Director test @gmail.com. Language you can select the English, because by default language is selected English here, because my administrator login credential is English. So by this way we can create and director login credential as well. Let's search it for this user. Now you can see the director person is also available. Open record. Now you can see this credential is available. So by this way we are able to create an account with the system administrator login. So let's recap this. After login to the service now login credential, we want to create an user login credential. Just search on user. From the user search, you are able to see user administrator. From user administration, select on the user. From there, you can create an account for IT technician or n number per person or n number of departments. So based on your department and requirement, you can create a login credential for the person. And if you want to update any detail, you can do that. If you want to delete that user login credential, you can do that. And at the end, if you want to add another account, you can also do that. So by this way, we have created user login credential with system administrator login. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.